Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Quick DIY. Let's take a closer look. So this is the fix I have applied so far to this dangling board. By the way, this is the manhole in my garage. Well, it is the perfect fit, but still doesn't help. The wind keeps blowing it off. So here is what I'm going to do. I have another board sitting in my garage anyway. So I'm going to stick this one on top of the other board, which will make it heavy. So it will be heavy enough so it doesn't move just by the wind. It should do the job. Let's give it a go. So meanwhile we're waiting for it to get dry, let's take a look at the messy situation in my garage. Well, this is temporary. I've got something planned here. This shelf which was sitting on the other end, it's here now on top of each other. It was used to be side by side. Anyway, the idea why I am doing this is I'm going to make a garage shelf. Well, I'll make another video about that. So it's going to be yay big and with three compartments, one over here just for the tools, another one over here just for shelves, and the one whole shelf on the top. Well, something like this.